And welcome back to another great video. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried to be released on a $250 million bail will live with his parents. This is the latest on the Sam Bankman-Fried scandal. It was released about 3 hours ago, right before the market closed. But before we go over this news, let's take a look at the markets to see what they have been doing in the past 2 days. If you watched yesterday's video, we had a nice rally. Nike had great earnings there, and we saw a 300-point rally on the Dow Jones. We're currently looking at the SPY. And yesterday, I did lock in some profits on an iron condor on this nice bounce. I locked in 50% returns on that trade, and today we saw a massive sell-off. For those of you who are in my Patreon, you got an alert that after I closed that position, I took some of those profits and I opened a new position. A few minutes after closing this position, I went with a put spread. I sold the 386 and I bought the 388 for a total debit of $102. I just did one. I'm happy to report that today I closed that position for a 54% gain. I sold it at $1.57. That's a $55 gain, and that was just within 24 hours. These are small trades, consistent, profitable trades with spreads. Already this week on my account, I've made a $58 return on this iron condor plus a $55 return on this put spread very easily. Now, if this is something that you're interested, trading this volatility, this market that is going absolutely nowhere, make sure to go under the description of this video, join my Patreon, and I have weekly signals for trades just like this. I started with a $1,000 account. I'm around $1,600 in just a few months. I'm up 60% and I'm hitting base hits every week. This week, I've already made about $113 on a $1,600 account very passively. So make sure to go check those links out. On yesterday's video, we did do some technical analysis on the market, and we do have a bearish trend. Let's pull up my other chart. I am feeling bearish, and I do think that we make new lower lows before longing the market once again. But there is no need to play the guessing game and just trade small and trade often with spreads. I'm using Robinhood. It's commission free, and this is just working out great. Let's go back to the headline news of today in the markets. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, has been released on a $250 million bond while awaiting trial for fraud and other criminal charges. Bankman-Fried is accused of perpetrating a multi-billion-dollar fraud on his investors and faces 8 counts including securities fraud and money laundering. The bond was secured by equity in his family home and by the signatures of his parents and 2 other individuals with significant assets. In addition to the bond, Bankman-Fried will also be required to wear an electronic monitoring bracelet, undergo mental health counseling, and restrict himself to the Northern District of California. Top accomplices Caroline Ellison and Gary Wang turn against him, plead guilty, and agree to assist authorities in ongoing investigation. This is the first time SBF is released since his arrest in the Bahamas. At first, he didn't want to be extradited to the US, but after the conditions in the Bahamian prisons, he was requesting to be extradited to the US. It looks like he's been losing some weight there, and he is released as of today. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you very much. If you found this video of any value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Check out my channel. Check out yesterday's video for the latest market updates and spread signals. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.